Hey Levi, what do you want to eat?
Corn ribs.
Hello everyone, let's make corn ribs. Stay tuned with. Fill the cups gently. This is the hardest part of the job. Cut it in half with a sharp knife. And divide it again into two parts. If it wasn't for the video, I would never have tried these cuts because the cobs were too stiff.
What the fuck? Fuck.
Anyway, arrange them into the oven tray. In a deep bowl, mix smoked paprika, black pepper, salt, and olive oil well. Now apply this attractive mixture on the cups. Let it cook in the oven for 15 minutes. Let's go to our attractive sauce. Peel the garlic and chop it finely. Finely chop the parsley. Mix butter, chopped garlic, chopped parsley, chili flakes. Enjoy the smell. Mustard and Parmesan cheese into the saucepan. Do not forget to heat this sauce for 1 minute and do not cook it at all. Well, sauce and corn ribs are ready. Mix the corn ribs with the sauce until they are hot. Serve it any way you like. I use parsley, chili oil and Parmesan cheese for garnish. Chili oil training is in this video. I hope you make it and enjoy it.
I believe I can fly.
Please like and subscribe and leave comments. Thanks for watching this video.